Welcome to Infinite Truth AI. Today we'll embark on a remarkable journey beneath the ocean surface, discovering how, over 1,400 years ago, the Qur'an described unmixing seas, a phenomenon later verified by modern science. We begin with the groundbreaking observations of French explorer Jacques Cousteau, whose underwater research reshaped our understanding of the oceans. In the mid-20th century, Jacques Cousteau investigated the distinct properties of large bodies of water, specifically where the Mediterranean Sea meets the Atlantic Ocean at the Strait of Gibraltar. Conventional wisdom suggested these waters should mingle effortlessly. Yet Cousteau's team discovered something astonishing. Despite their close proximity, each sea maintained its own unique salinity, density, and marine ecosystem. Even powerful currents and waves failed to break what seemed like an invisible barrier. Later, similar water partitions were observed at the Gulf of Aden and the Red Sea, where contrasting bodies of water also refused to blend completely. Scientifically, this phenomenon relates to surface tension, salinity gradients, and other physical factors. Each body of water forms a sort of protective membrane, preserving its own conditions. Remarkably, this unmixing fosters biodiversity. Various fish, corals, and even microscopic life forms flourish separately within each region. It's a testament to the divine intricacy we see all around us. What truly shocked Cousteau and many others wasn't just that this existed, but that the Qur'an had already referenced such barriers centuries ago, in a time and place with no advanced maritime science or submarines. The Qur'an states, "He is the one who has set free the two seas, types of water, one sweet and palatable and the other salty and bitter. And he placed between them a barrier and a forbidding partition." Surah Al-Furqan 25:53. Even more astonishing is that this verse surfaced 1,400 years ago on the Arabian Peninsula, far from the major seafaring cultures of the time, and long before modern science would confirm it. This Quranic passage describes what researchers later called a water partition, or Berzah, from the Arabic word for barrier. Cousteau's investigations in the Mediterranean and Atlantic, along with subsequent findings in the Red Sea and the Gulf of Aden, align with this concept. Despite storms, currents, and winds, these waters remain distinct, an enduring sign, as many Muslims believe, of the Qur'an's miraculous insight. In the 7th century, people lacked microscopes, diving equipment, or advanced observational tools. So how did such precise knowledge find its way into the Qur'an? Another verse highlights the blessings these waters provide. The two seas are not alike. One is fresh and sweet, pleasant to drink, and the other is salty and bitter. Yet from each you eat fresh meat and extract ornaments to wear. Surah Fatir 35:12. These lines remind us that both fresh and saltwater realms serve humanity, providing sustenance, trade, and adornments like pearls and coral. The Qur'an often calls attention to the vast opportunities the seas bring. Modern commerce and travel still rely on maritime routes, exactly as the verse indicates. And He is the one who subjugated the sea for you, so that ships may sail upon it by His command, and so that you may seek of His bounty, and perhaps be grateful. Surah Al-Jathiyah 45:12. Whether for fishing or international trade, humanity has reaped the benefits of these waterways for centuries. This phenomenon of unmixing seas is just one example of the infinite diversity we see in creation, from the kaleidoscopic patterns on butterfly wings to the countless species of plants, animals, and microbes. As the Qur'an encourages us, reflection upon these wonders leads us toward Tawheed, the recognition of a single Creator. In the Holy Book, we find verses like, "Indeed, in the creation of the heavens and the earth, the alternation of night and day, there are signs for a people who use their reason." Surah Al-Baqarah 2:164. Clearly, the Qur'an beckons believers and seekers of all faiths to contemplate the universe with an open mind. Remember, these verses were revealed in a time and place, with no advanced marine technology. The Arabian Peninsula was not known for maritime exploration like other regions. Yet the Qur'an spoke of oceanic barriers that science would only confirm centuries later. Many interpret this as a miracle, pointing to the divine origin of the scripture. This belief is further reinforced by the meticulous order and details we find in countless other Quranic passages regarding nature, humanity, and the cosmos. Thank you for joining us on this journey beneath the waves. We hope you've gained new insights into how these unmixing seas shine a light on the Qur'an's enduring message. Whether you come from a different faith, culture, or background, we invite you to reflect on the intricate designs we witness in our world. If you found value in this exploration, please like, subscribe to Infinite Truth AI, and share your thoughts in the comments. May this be a step toward greater understanding of the universe and the one who created it. Until next time, take care and stay curious.